Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see already in the title, I will be doing another Louis Vuitton unboxing. So I got this package last Monday, and as you guys already seen by the title, it's another mini pochette. So let's just unbox this. I'm just gonna take this out. So it comes with Louis Vuitton, thank you for shopping your product, da 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 da, and another paper that says exchange and returns. Like, it will tell you how to, you know, return it if you don't like the bag, or if there's something wrong with the bag. So it's already prepaid, so you can just like send it to them. And this is another paper that says, okay, mini pochette. So I ordered this bag around April 7th, and like I said, I received it on not last Monday, but this week Monday on the 13th. So 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 5 days shipping, and you can also choose a fast shipping, which is you have to pay more. But anyways, I ordered this over the phone, and this is what I got. I only took out the ribbon so it's easier for us. So oh my god, I haven't opened this, you guys. Like, I literally waited a couple days to film this, but oh my god. That was a fail. So this is the dust bag to protect the, you know, bag from collecting dust. And let's just open her. Dun, 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 dun. I got another mini pochette in Damier Azure. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but you guys, look at this bag. So I believe this is the front and this is the back. And hold on, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. Right there, you guys can see that. So this is made in France, and it's the same as the my Ebene. It's gold details. And then let's open her. Let's see what's inside. Okay, there's 2 cards here inside. This is the LV, and right there, the Damier Azure. All right, so I'm gonna keep that. So the interior is basically just cream white right there, and I see the date code here, which is SF0220. So that's the date code, and that's the interior inside, side by side. Right there, it's the side. So it's basically just a white, it's like a checkered print, but it's like blue. I thought that the print of these is like black, but it's actually blue. And right there is the Louis Vuitton Paris, same as the other side right there. So let me put this thing back. So basically, like I said, I mentioned on my previous unboxing with the Damier Ebene, you can wear this as wristlet or a, you know, tap handle like this. And I can just, you know, can unhook this and put it in the side, wear it as a wristlet like this, and you can just wear it as is, which is, you know, tap handle. I'll normally just like, you know, wear it like this or like this in my shoulder. But yeah, this is the bag, you guys. Oh my god, so this is my first Damier Azure print, and I'm really happy that I finally got my hands on this one, because the pochette accessories has been like out of stock. And normally Louis Vuitton, like, you know, ever since like the COVID-19, they've been trying to, I think, restock like the classic ones. Even my card the card holder is out of stock. The 6 key ring is out of stock. I was thinking about buying that on my birthday, and you know, I already put my email to, you know, so they can notify me when they restock, but I've been checking the website as well. I know this is really hard to get. You gotta make sure that you're fast enough to check out, because a lot of people is, you know, been eyeing this bag for like a long time. Then one of my subscribers were nice enough. I was at work when they restocked the Azure. I was at work and I heard my phone just like, you know, buzzing, so I checked it. It's like, oh, there's one comment like the Azure is on stock, also the Damier Ebene. So I quickly went to the Louis Vuitton website and, you know, got my hands, I placed this cart, and then, you know, quickly secured the checkout, because I already put my bank information at the Louis Vuitton, so it's easier for me to, you know, secure the bag. Because if if you're trying to get the bag and you haven't put your payment information, or you haven't saved your information at your account, then, you know, you still have to put your credit card, or, you know, debit card number. So you just have to make sure that you're fast enough to do that, because I was like literally shaking when I did it. And, you know, I was like, I got it, I secured it, I got the information that, you know, they had in my order. So I was really happy. And then I went to refresh again just to make sure if they're still available, and it was just called for availability, because I want my other subscribers to, you know, to get one of those, because they've been DMing me like, you know, I really want to get the mini pochette in a band, or like in a monogram. Like, I want to get the monogram. And the good thing about it is I ordered the monogram yesterday. I received an email from Louis Vuitton that they're in stock. So I didn't even, you know, when you have a notification on your phone, like it just pop up in the screen, and I didn't even read the whole thing. And I literally went to my LV account and just like secure place. At first it was in stock, and then the other side called for availability. So I refresh it again, and that's when it says place to cart. So I went to place to cart, and I was like, I don't know, I was just nervous. So, you know, I get the bag, so I'm gonna do another unboxing for you guys soon when I receive the bag. I think it's gonna be here next week, so I'm really excited that I finally have the 3 mini pochette, and like I said, I'm gonna do an unboxing soon. But anyway guys, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.